Welcome the our channel. Today we how to automate social engagement with Sprout Social, full guide step by step clearly. To automate social engagement with Sprout Social, start by logging into your Sprout Social account. Navigate to the Engagement tab located in the main menu. Here, you will find the Inbox feature, where all your messages from various platforms are aggregated. Ensure your social profiles are connected to Sprout Social. If they aren't, go to the settings and select social accounts to add them. With your accounts linked, return to the Engagement tab. Utilize the filters to sort your messages by priority or type. Next, explore the Smart Inbox feature. This allows you to view all your messages in one place, simplifying your engagement process. To set up automated responses, go to the Publishing tab in the main menu. Select Message Rules to create automated replies for common inquiries. Establish keywords that trigger these automated messages for relevant topics. After setting up your responses, navigate back to the Engagement tab. Here, you can monitor which automated replies are most effective. Analyze feedback from your audience to refine your messages further. For deeper insights, visit the Reports tab. This feature provides analytics on engagement performance. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to improve future interactions. Consider integrating Sprout Social with other tools for enhanced functionality. Explore the Integrations section under Settings to find compatible applications. Combining tools can streamline your workflow even more. Regularly check in on your automated responses to ensure relevance. Adapt to new trends by updating your automated messaging as needed. By implementing these steps, you can efficiently automate social engagement and enhance your online presence. Take the time to review your strategy and continue fine-tuning your engagement efforts over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.